हाय फ्रेंड्स। हाय फ्रेंड्स। आज हम देखने वाले जो द हिंदू में टेक्नोलॉजी सेक्शन में जो आर्टिकल आया था वो क्वांटम कंप्यूटर के बारे में था। इसके बारे में आज देखना चाहते हैं कि क्या है क्वांटम कंप्यूटर। लेट्स सी the what is the quantum computer and why it is being in the news today. Uh, Quantum computing. First of all, we see the what is the quantum computing technology, which is adopting as a quantum on the basis of the quantum physics. We know that we already know that the quantum physics deals with the micro micro objects, deals with the micro objects, which contains which we use for the use for measuring the light speed, as well as the um, heat of sun like things. We use the quantum physics as a base to measure this such things that having the complex measurement, or the complex we can say the complex calculation. So here the mm, that there the use of the quantum physics are used. The term that is quantum computing, the term is not in use because we upgraded the software technology in the present day, but we cannot move to develop our hardware in the form of chips which we are using as the processor. So that if we use the quantum computing, we upgrade our hardware by using the quantum computing technology. In that, first of all, we see that what is the quantum computer. In quantum computer, it is all about the world of bit smaller than the atom or subatom. In normal computing, we calculate the distance of the we calculate the simple problem in the sense as in the example we can calculate the basic arithmetic. um, and there's some physics physics problems and some calculation based problem, but we cannot able to deal with the microscopic substantial calculation. What is mean by the microscopic substantial calculation? It means we using the quantum computer we able to process the data which are a very very microscopic and a very small amount of data. We can analyzing that data, we can calculate the calculate the mm, result from that data. Mm, so where the computer quantum computers help. And in the quantum computing, instead of we know that the in our basic computer application, or the digital digital storage are measured in bit and byte. Bit, first of all, we measured in bit that contains 0 and 1, binary. We can also say that this is a binary in the form of binary. First is bit, then 8 bit is called byte, then 1024 byte is called uh, megabyte. Megabyte, 1 megabyte. 1 megabyte is called 1024 megabyte is called 1 gigabyte. Gigabyte. And 1024 gigabyte is called 1 terabyte. And the 1024 terabyte is called zettabyte, and so on. But in quantum computer, we not deals with that major calculational portion. It is already it is a simple to uh, deals with the data. But if we going to deals with the smaller amount of data, we uses the uses the uh, 0 and 1 in the binary form. But in the quantum computer, instead of 0 and 1, again that is going on lower. That is unit is called as qubits. Qubits. That is way more smaller than way more smaller than bit and bits. That is 0 and 1 binary. From this scenario, we can find out that how smaller amount of data we can deal with that smaller amount of data and do calculation. So let's go to the next. What is the use of the quantum physics? Use of quantum physics, or we can say that quantum computing. Uh, in that the microscopic, we deals with the microscopic objects like a ball, a chair, or a person can be at the only one location at a time. This location can be predicted accurately. The object effect on the surrounding can't be transmitted faster than the speed of the light. This is the classical experience of the reality. Solver high, solver high and complex problem. Okay, this is not used to make that the smaller problems which are we can solve by the simple computer. But if we want to solve the mm, more high-end complex problem, there is need of the quantum computing. So that by giving by the knowing that by the knowing that application of the quantum computing, government initiatives are uh, gets more toward to achieve the goals of the quantum computing in the next future era, so that the government gives the 8,000 crores for the for this adopting the quantum computing technology for the future use. He first of all he made the one national mission policy for the whole India to promote the quantum computing promote the quantum computing in, in the different sector. Uh, he for the promoting that he first of all he used for the defense and he established the one quantum research facility for the army in the Madhya Pradesh state. And another one is in the Pune. Another one is Department of Science and Technology. Is another facility launched in the Pune, so that we see that the government are ready to accept that technology and view the next future use of this technology. Benefits. What are the benefits? We already seen that the use of the quantum technology and the essentiality of the technology. So the benefit is that the it's a problem to the electromagnetic and the material science. It's have the problem, it have the have the ability to solve major and microscopic problem. It's a material science and electromagnetic. In electromagnetic, we say that the different electromagnetic zones, that is from 0 1 1 hertz to 1 kilohertz, 1 megahertz, different electromagnetic frequencies are there operated, and this operating frequency and the different devices operated on that technology different frequency. Um, all calculation along this can be managed by the quantum computing as well as material science. In material science, quantum computing helps in the uh, to analyze the material by using analyzing material. He can find the previous and the future data of that related material. In the simple way that I want to add one example like in material science. One of the example is that by using the one material, if we find the one material, we can find the age of that material by using the carbon 14 technology. Uh, it's like the same like that. In quantum computing, we can more more elaborating data we can found by using that technology, because it deals with the microscopic data, deals with the microscopic data and with the high-end complex problem solving ability. It means he can find, he can able to found more precise and accurate results. that are all benefits about the quantum computing we see in the future. So that it is our future. So that government initiating, making initiative on that new technology and giving the funds and promoting them with our defense and defense and information technology and research technology, researching on that. So hope you like that video. In this article of the Hindu, we tells about the quantum computing.